Spectrum, I'm Austin.
And I'm Danny, and this is the premiere production of Noise News.
First we head over to Preston and Ryan with a look at Scott the Karate Kid.
Scott Hagan is known as an avid track and field athlete here at Spectrum High School. However, he was once the #1 rated karate sparrer just a few years ago. He now focuses on track and works with kids at PKS on owning their karate skills.
He participated in karate with his family for several years, training at PKS karate students in Elk River, Minnesota. Scott has placed himself in nationals several times in his years of martial arts. As shown, Scott is very determined to show off his skills and intimidate his opponents in this demonstration.
Scott is a dedicated athlete to track and field at Spectrum High School. He went to state last year for high jump and also as one of the top sprinters for Spectrum. He still has one more year at Spectrum to show off his athletic skills to the school and place himself at the top.
Hiya, that story was worthy of a black belt. Now we learn about spring weight training with our sports department.
Hi, I'm Parker Stockwell, bringing you Spectrum Sports, and I'm here with Coach Offer.
I'm at the youth tournament for Spectrum. Your gym's just awesome. I love it.
This is the new and improved Spectrum weight room. But before I can tell you about the weight room, I must show you how to get there.
Oh, I see you caught me in my afternoon workout. Well, let's get to work.
This spring you can come in Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday before or after school, time starting in the morning at 6:15 a.m. to 7 a.m. and in the afternoon at 3:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. So come on in and get your lift on.
Thanks. We will be right back after TED Talks.
Hi, I'm Ted, and welcome to TED Talks. Last year I made a song, Nuns Have Fun, to promote the sound of music, and this year I made another song, Beautiful, for Honk. Honk is the story of the Ugly Duckling, and you can see the musical on April 17th, 18th, and 19th.
We are back. Now we head over to Carter with more on the history of rock and roll.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Carter Thorson.
And I'm Josh Clark.
This week in the history of rock and roll, we're covering the 90s.
In the 90s, many important events occurred, like the collapse of the Soviet Union and the release of Serge Cola.
The 90s was also a period of change for rock and roll. Over a short period, the style of the 80s became very uncool, being replaced with the grunge appearance.
This was largely due to the immediate popularity of Nirvana, the frontman, and Kurt Cobain.
While Nirvana primarily dominated the rock charts, some other bands maintained moderate popularity, such as the Smashing Pumpkins and the Red Hot Chili Peppers, and a minor Guns N' Roses presence.
Overall, the 90s were a rather smooth era for rock, as it was beginning to be overtaken by pop music.
Too bad that is all for this week. In closing, I'm Carter Thorson.
And I am Josh Clark.
And this has been the history of rock and roll. Back to you, Danny and Austin.
Thanks, Carter.
Now to the taste test, guys, with foreign beverages.
Hey guys, today we will be trying Asian drinks. So Japanese. We're gonna have 4 different people drinking these things. Hopefully none of them will vomit, and if they do, we have a nurse in the building. So right home. There's a plunger inside there. You have to remove that little. There you go. And now you put the plunger on top and press down its pump. A little bit of each. Yeah, there is a marble in it. That's it.
It's good. It tastes like cherry.
Speedle.
Time!
Smelly. Ramune.
Oh, it's already. There you go.
Don't know much.
It's very pungent.
Very fizzy. Tastes like medicine.
They're like
Ew.
little balls of like starchy stuff.
Is this milk?
What is ball?
Don't spit it back out.
It tastes like a cereal.
You gave me all the beans.
Get them curds.
Oh, no, yeah, that's bad.
Dude, it's so tasty.
It smells like. Oh, don't.
It's not as bad as you thought.
Feel like those little.
It's like a taste, but a not a taste. Like a taste, kind of taste, but no taste.
It's like really sweet stuff.
Like,
Pleasant to drink.
Open it weird.
Top, top. Alright, let's smell it.
Give me some. I need some.
It's not even strawberry looking.
Good at first, and then it's like.
Oh. Yeah, no.
Better than the soybean, the pearl soybean.
Not not
It smells really good.
not
Don't taste very good. It smells really good. It smells like mandarin oranges. You
No,
know
it
what
smells
mandarin
like
oranges
that-
smell like? You need to get yourself some of this and freshen up your breath.
What a refreshing story.
It's all the news we have for you today.
This has been the premiere production of Noise News, keeping you in on the noise. Go.
Hi, I'm Adrian Peterson, and I would like to say I'm handsome.
Okay.
You done? Jeez, wow, that took me.